Hi, I'm Ignatius, and today's topic: why is sleep so important? Can adequate sleep improve the quality and the quantity of your life? Is that possible? Think about it. Would you like to increase the quality of your life and the quantity of your life? That means the days are better, it's more enjoyable, it's more productive, it's more fruitful. You are having a better time and you are having more years to enjoy it in. Wouldn't that be a beautiful thing to do? Well, that's what sleep is doing for us, and it's a gift to us. But as things which have come to us free, we misuse it, don't we? We misuse the way we intake our food, all right? Even though we know it may be injurious to our body or to our mind, we take that. We alter our sleep patterns just so that we can fit in our schedule or our friend's schedule and uh, try to keep up with all the things going on in life, right? At the detriment of your own body or your mental peace. So those who are suffering from not being able to sleep as soon as you hit the bed, now this is something which you need to listen to and follow. Those of you who are sleeping perfectly fine, perfectly okay. So that's great. You're getting recharged, you're feeling energetic the next day, you're full on, then obviously you're getting the perfect amount of sleep and you don't even need to watch this video. But for those who are struggling, you would have people in your family or others or yourself who's struggling with getting to sleep as soon as when you hit the bed. There are people who take 15-20 minutes, there are people who take half an hour, some people who take hours to get to sleep. And that need not happen because the cost of it is very, very high. It does not hit in the short term immediately. It's not, when you're young especially, you may be able to get away with it. But as you get older, every day that you lose sleep or you have impaired sleep affects you. You've heard of so many people who have committed suicide or suffering from depression and other factors. Now, many of this would be linked to, the symptom would be lack of sleep, difficulty to find sleep. Now, when you have people in your family like this, it's best that this is addressed immediately because that is an indicator that something is wrong and this needs to be corrected, right? Wouldn't you agree that when there is when something which is off key, then obviously something is wrong, right? And one needs to work to correct it. So this is basically what it is. It's like the warning light in your dashboard when you've not filled enough oil or there's less petrol or whatever. There is something wrong and then there's a warning signal. And difficulty getting to sleep is a warning signal that something is not right. So I'm just going to talk to you about 10 points of why sleep is so important, and then we will discuss about how we can improve it and make it better. So the first is, when you sleep right, you get better productivity, you get better concentration and better cognition. Your thinking skills improve. Isn't that a beautiful thing? When you are able to concentrate and focus better, when you are able to take better decisions and you are able to output more in a day just because you have slept better. Isn't that a good reason to ensure that you sleep better? So that is reason number one. The reason number two is there's less chance that you will gain weight. Just by sleeping, there is lesser chance that you will gain weight. So that's the second most important reason why you should ensure that you get adequate sleep. The third is there is a better calorie regulation because you got the right sleep. You don't do binge eating, you don't choose the wrong foods. You are able to regulate the calorie intake better because your mind is calmer. You are in a better state of mind to be able to take the right choices. So that's reason number 3. The reason number 4 is better performance. If you're an athlete, you can perform better. If you can perform better in bed for those who need to do anything. You're physically energized. You have more to give, and you're able to perform better. And that's because you feel more fulfilled when you're able to perform better. And that is reason number 4 for you to ensure that you get enough sleep. And I've got 6 more for you, just to drive in the point that this is not something that you need to ignore, that you should not tend to ignore, because it's really a very silent killer, and you need to be aware of it and correct it. I know several people have died because of this, all right, and that's not a good thing, just because they did not take adequate rest. Okay, it does not make sense to cut down your life length of life by 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Really doesn't make sense. There's a lot more to be enjoyed, and you have to stay alive to be able to enjoy and then thrive. So we've run through with four reasons. The 5th reason is it lowers the incidence of heart disease. Just because you slept better, your heart pumps out better, and you are able to, this is one of the reasons why. Obviously, fatty foods and other dietary things or stress and other factors also contribute to heart. But good sleep helps repair the vessels, the cells, so that you are able to, the next day the heart is able to perform better. So that's reason number 5. Reason number 6 is you get better emotional and social intelligence. That is, your relationships with people improve because you feel more rested, you're more at peace, and you're able to deal with people and situations better just because you had better sleep. Imagine, isn't that so beautiful? The 7th reason, it prevents depression. Just imagine. How many people you've read of recently who've killed themselves because of depression? And lack of sleep is an indicator. So if they have corrected their sleep itself, their ability to repair and get more balanced improves, and their ability to face situations improves. So then obviously the quality of life and the longevity of life improves because of that. So that is reason number 7. It prevents depression. Reason number 8, it lowers inflammation. See, during the day, there's an inflammation of cells which keep happening. Because you've given it the rest and recuperation, it lowers inflammation, and your ability to attract diseases and all gets reduced. 9th is a stronger immune system. So, and you need it now. With corona roaming around this place, you definitely need a stronger immune system. So just imagine, so if you get your adequate sleep, you got your 8 hours of sleep, it's fantastic, right? You're helping fight corona. Can you believe that? Just because you've had a sound sleep. So if you've kept your body free from corona and everybody around you are able to do that, that's another reason for you to be able to get a better quality sleep. That's reason number 9. And reason number 10 is through sleep you connect to your creator, because that is the time when you kind of reset your whole system and you get in touch with your deep sleep, and you get into that theta state. You are able to connect with the creator and get recharged, because that's a time when you're able to wipe out yesterday and prepare yourself for the next day, and you get the energy of the divine into you. And that's another beautiful reason why you should get that adequate sleep, because as you get into those 4 stages of sleep and got into the final 4th stage of sleep, you would be able to get recharged. Even 15 minutes, half an hour, or whatever of that sleep would recharge you like an 8-hour sleep. But you need to go through the stages for you to be able to get there. And this is why sleep is so important. It's not something that you ignore. It's not something that you take for granted. It is like your breath. When you stop it, then none of us can interact with you. Similarly, it is with sleep. If you stop it or mess with it, you're sooner or later, you're driving yourself down into the grave. So, my humble request to all of us, all of you, is be aware. Are you able to sleep as soon as you hit the bed? Are you able to feel refreshed when you wake up the next day? So, if this is not happening, you need to take action. You need to find out what it is which is causing this. The reasons why are many that I will cover in a subsequent video or in a blog post or something like that. In fact, I'm planning to hold a workshop, a 21-day sleep workshop. Okay, 21-day sleep camp I'm planning to hold, and that will start on 25th of June. 25th of June, that's my dad's birthday, which is next week. So I will post you the details. It's still not ready, the registration form. It is in short notice, and mainly I'm holding it for closer friends. It's a paid workshop, which will be a 21-day workshop. Those of you are interested can message me privately, inbox me, or put your comments below so that I can send you the details of that workshop. This is to help people get over this, because right now you're under lockdown and you're under huge stress. Sleep is one beautiful system that God has created, and if you're able to fully actualize it, your life is going to be better. It will last longer, and it will be fuller, your life. And this is my fervent hope for you. This is Ignatius Raphael signing off from this video. Thanks for watching, and have a sound sleep. Good night. Bye bye. See you.